Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I'm so excited to invite you to attend the 3-day workshop entitled How to Earn Money Starting Nonprofits. The purpose of this video is to explain what you will learn on the first day, day 1 of 3. On day 1, we are going to learn how to write the Form 1023 supplemental responses. Those are the attachments that we use to include with the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption. So here are the learning objectives. We're going to learn how to file the Articles of Incorporation, how to acquire an Employer Identification Number or EIN, how to write the bylaws, your activities, the financial data report, the fundraising activities, and the conflict of interest policy. These documents are called supplemental responses. The maximum enrollment for this inaugural workshop is 6 people, and the discounted rate for this inaugural workshop is $495 per person. If you're interested in learning how to earn money starting nonprofits for clients across the United States, please select the link in the comments below to enroll. Again, the maximum enrollment is only 6 people. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.